what better way to start my vlog in this cozy cafe just next to the river side. Oh my god, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. My voice must be too jarring because the river is just next to me, and my god, it's beautiful. Come have a look. How beautiful can a morning be with these beautiful flowers and river bedside. Oh my gosh. And the trees and the clouds, nothing better than this. It's the beautiful cafe, just check it out. It is so cozy and so beautiful, and you can also take pictures like this right there with hanging in middle of the river. How cool can that be? And then we're sitting right here, and this is so pretty, you know. The activity looks so cool कि I decided to take a plunge and try it also. And देखो क्या हुआ. After all the madness, we decided to head to the Manu temple. They say that he is the creator of the human race, and he used to do meditation here. Whenever you visit Manali, sure to come and learn the history right here. मनाली आए और शॉपिंग नहीं किया, नॉट फेयर. लुक एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल हैंडमेड स्टफ एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू बार्गेन, क्योंकि दिस इज जस्ट वर्थ इट. Another famous temple you must visit here is the Hidimba Devi temple. As you enter, you can cuddle these cuties and take pictures with them. How cool can that be? And how cute! The temple was built around a cave where Devi Hidimba performed meditation. The structure is from 1553. And did you know that Devi Hidimba belonged to the family of Rakshas? I didn't know that. Well, you can comment below if you did. You cannot shoot inside the temple, but you can see it from the outside, and it's just magnificent. Morning, it's day 2 of me exploring Himachal, and I'm staying at this beautiful homestay, which I'm going to give you a separate tour of. But first you have to check out the view of my balcony. It's just gorgeous. So this is the apple tree, and you have the mountains, the beautiful sky, and what more could you ask for when you just wake up early in the morning. I am also planning to pluck these beautiful fruits and gonna eat them, so hopefully that adventure does happen. But check this out. Isn't this really, really beautiful? Heading towards the most popular Atal Tunnel, just look at the view. It's so breathtaking. Can't wait for the experience and tell you how beautiful it looks, and the connectivity is so great. So this tunnel takes you to Sisu and further to Leh. Chalo? I just completed a road ride from this Atal Tunnel. It is just bizarre, okay? It just is a different road altogether. It's a beautiful tunnel. It's 9 kilometers long, and it just changes the weather completely from that side to this side of the of Himachal, and it's just so cold and windy. I mean, you have to take this trip. It is a trip of a lifetime. So yes, I will show you the scene, and it's just gorgeous. After looking at the beautiful terrain, it's time for some fun activities. We're planning to take the rope way up and come down. And if you're more adventurous, you can also do the paragliding as well. So let's go have some fun. We are taking the cable car up and it gets us back down, and honestly it's just for the view and I think it's worth it. Chalo, though it's a little slow, but enjoy. All the fun activities, it's time to eat some chicken momos, and then we're having some Maggi chai and the regular Pahadi stuff, and then I will see you on the other side soon. It's time for a trek into a small village here called Soil, and yes, I am in full energy walking into this place through the village, and you can see it past going me. So let's keep walking and see some beautiful scenic views. This is my walk. This Soil village is one of the most unconventional places, and if you get a chance and if you're an adventurous person, you must come here and enjoy this, because it is, I can't wait to see the final destination honestly, but हाँ मज़ा तो बहुत आ रहा है चलने में. Finally reached, and look at my view. I'm gonna show you the river and the jungle cafe and see what all we end up binging on. So come, let's see. By the time we reached, the cafe was shut, but the view was breathtaking and heaven on earth, seriously. Anyway, I'm looking forward to another crazy day tomorrow, so come with me and don't shut the video itni jaldi. Morning, it's day 3. It's my last day in Manali and I'm really sad, but I have a kick-ass day happening. I'm going for a Chotu trek to this place called Arjun Gufa. Many localites even don't know about it. Anyway, I'm going to explore this very interesting place. Also going for this, a waterfall, which I can't wait to see and show you guys, because I have heard so much about it that it's just become like I have to go. So chalo, what are we waiting for? While climbing for the Arjun Gufa, we saw a beautiful temple and the view from here was just so calming. We also ended up visiting one of the oldest temples here, which was built by the Pandavas, the locals say. Hello, like I told you, I'm hiking to this beautiful waterfall, and my god, I'm in the middle of a jungle. It is just so tiring yet so amazing, so I can't even complain. Anyway, before this we ended up wanting to explore the gufa, but what really happened was it was again a trek of about 2 hours, so we didn't end up doing it, but we saw a nice mandir. This is what it looks like to walk towards the Sajila waterfall, if I forgot to tell you the name. To the trek or hike you could call, there are these arrows to show you where you have to lead yourself to. Be careful, wear good gears and come. Now is the surprise. It is so magnificent. You will not believe it. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3. When you come here, you must try the Himachal special Siddu. ये बनता है अखरोट से, and the chutney, वाह वाह वाह. All good things come to an end. So has my Manali trip. I hope you enjoyed every experience that I enjoyed too. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and comment your thoughts below. And I will see you next week.